and the Vic, Barry and the Impala. We're gonna slide up on your ass like we jump out boys. We're gonna slide up too deep. We're gonna slide up on your ass strong. But nah, we going up to this not up at the shop already. Taking the Vic to the shop now. See why the tail lights ain't working on the Vic. See the Sonata at the shop, up in the air. I gotta fix that fender after my cousin laid on it.
Why do you gotta put your foot on the brake all the way just for the car to stop? Dude, this is a death box. Goofy ass car. I ain't never seen a car like that. You didn't look into that.
So with the Crown Vic, it's the wire harness that's need to be replaced, and they told me $320 labor for the wire harness. $320, that's for the harness and the labor. So $320 for the harness. So save some more money. Can't drive the Vic yet. Gotta stay in the Impala for a little while longer till I can get the wire harness and get the labor money. They go to Impala. Impala clean though. I'm gonna swing back here by the shop. Back here by the shop. But if you know your boy, you know I ain't finna give him no goddamn 320 for the labor, for the harness and the labor. You know I ain't finna give him no goddamn 320. Got me fucked up. I get the harness myself, and this old here staying next door to the shop. He know all that wiring shit. He work on trucks. He can wire the hell out of it. He can wire your goddamn house up to fly. That's how cold he is with the wiring. I get with him, see, ask him how much will he charge to wire it up. So, yeah. Hopefully go back over to the shop and ask them exactly where is it broke at, and I'm gonna go from there. They burnt out my gas too. Goddamn gas light on. Oh well, I ain't finna worry about it right now because I'm not finna be driving the Crown Vic. And like one of the old heads said, he take goddamn $320 for the work and for the part and labor. Plus on top of $65 for them to look at it. Man, fuck that. I ain't finna get that yet on 320 now. Got me fucked up. And they tried to keep my motherfucking Phillips that I got to put in here to get the car apart. And they moved my spotlight. Who the fuck told their ass to move my spotlight? Bro, where exactly is the wire broke at?
That's the whole harness that we got replaced.
So it's from the front to the back?
It's like from right here to over there.
Oh, so from the front.
Not all the way.
So from the front doors to the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's not getting any communication.
Okay.
So the system and back.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, appreciate it. So it's the whole harness. Yeah, so fuck it. And they gave your boy a free mat. But yeah, my wire harness from the front to the back needs to be replaced. So It ain't getting no communication. I think they drove my Vic around too, cause my gas light on. I ain't never look at the mileage before I dropped it off. Now it said 131,300 miles. Having fun. But yeah, you know, so they're having fun in the Vic. I'm on bullshit. Yeah. I'm on bullshit. I'm on bullshit. Just scared all the goddamn dope boys. Oh well, fuck they scary ass.